Make your Windows 11 run faster with these two settings. When you newly purchase your Windows 11, when you tap a button or when you power on your system, it runs very fast. But over the time, you discover that your system performance keep declining. Most especially if the RAM is less than 8 gig or 8 gig lesser, then you feel this kind of pain that each time you try to use your computer, you have to wait a while before it loads up. It is because you ignore these two settings. In case you want to increase the speed of your computer, then go ahead now and do these settings on your device. Very simple and easy. First, right click on the menu here and select system. You can as well use Windows plus X. It's still the same thing. It brings to this interface. Click on system. Once you click on system, just wait a few seconds for it to load up. Then you have option here. Go ahead and click on advanced settings. Under advanced settings, here you see advanced and you see performance. Then click on settings here. Once you click on these settings, you have these options. Say that select the settings you want to use for the performance of Windows on this computer. 1. Let Windows choose what best for my computer. That is what you hear. Windows is choosing everything that is best for it. Then adjust for best performance. If you tap on it, see that every option here is triggered. Everything. Then if adjust for best performance again, it's going to toggle off all of these things here. And by default, let Windows choose for you. And this is why your computer runs slowly, most especially if you are not using a new computer again, because of a lot of tasks that you are enabled here. But the gist of it is that you are at the right place now to make a very powerful decision and allow your computer to run very fast. Now go ahead and click on customize. Once you click on customize, make sure you check or uncheck all this button to turn it off, because we only need two settings here, just two out of these tons of settings here. Now you've turned it off. The first thing you have to select here is to go and select smooth edges of the screen. This one, smooth edges of the screen font. Tap on this button and select it. Then locate and tap on show thumbnail instead of icon. You see these two settings. This is what you need, guys, for your device to run perfectly. Click on apply, then click on OK. Now come back from this place. Now that I've done that, you are a bit ahead. The next thing is to open the settings again. But guys, my settings is on the screen. I have it here. Open the settings, still the same thing. Click on this place and click on settings. It brings to this interface. Now that you are here, go ahead and click on personalization. Once you click on this button, it brings to this interface. Then go ahead and tap on colors. Once you click on color, then you have this one that says transparency effect. Window and surface appear translucent. This eats your battery and as well it makes your phone to run slowly. And once it's turned on, you see the effect here or here on your device at the taskbar. So let's toggle it off. You can see that the effect has been taken away from your taskbar. Now you are good to go. Henceforth, your computer will run 200 faster than before. Click this window. Try and use your computer. So let me know if it worked for you in the comment section. So guys, this is all I have for you guys in this video. If you enjoy what I've explained and if not subscribe, please 1 second subscribe, so that when I drop another important update like this about your PC, you have access to it as soon as possible.